everyone, Dan Toombs, the Curry Guy here, and today I'm going to show you one of my favorite breakfasts. This is not actually over here in the UK a breakfast dish. If you go out for a Southern Indian restaurant or something like that, and you'll see this on the menu for dinner, but this is more often than not served with puris for breakfast in India, and I've started making it all the time now, so it is really good. I enjoyed it a lot when I was over in Goa, and I'm going to Mumbai next week, looking forward to doing the same. Anyway, this is a recipe that was shown to me by a place I was staying over there. One thing I've always liked about it, when I started my blog and everything, I always said, I've read a lot of books and all. I want to learn from the people, the chefs that know how to make this stuff. So that's been one of the big benefits that I've enjoyed doing, and it's kind of helped me with my cooking. I can just see how they kind of throw things together without really any measures or anything like that. That's kind of what I'm going to be showing you here. However, I will be writing down the ingredients with measures in case you want to follow the recipe. So I've got some oil in there that's quite hot now, and I'm going to pour in about a teaspoon of mustard seeds. And because the oil is quite hot, they are going to start popping quite quickly. So I'm going to lower the heat. I'm going to add about a teaspoon of cumin seeds and some curry leaves. And I'll give that a good stir. Now, I don't want to burn those spices. It's hard to burn a mustard seed, but it's very easy to burn a cumin seed. I'm going to add some onions to it right away. This is about 2 small onions. So what's happened so far is we've had the spices, the curry leaves, tempering in that oil, giving it all a nice flavor. I'm even going to add a little bit more oil here. We're going to let those onions cook down for about 5 minutes, and then we'll be back to finish off the dish, which is very quick and easy. All right, so as is so often the case, I've got the onions cooking down now. I forgot to put a couple of ingredients in. It's not a big deal. I am going to be putting about a teaspoon of channa dhal, just raw channa dhal, and a teaspoon of washed white urad dhal into the pan. And there's still quite a lot of oil in there, so they're just going to toast for about a minute while I get everything else ready. These should have gone in at the very beginning. I forgot. Believe me, it doesn't ruin the dish. You don't have to worry too much about this. We're not baking cakes. It's all going to come around just fine. So those are around there. Browning as I can see, so I'm going to add about 1 small tomato to that. And then we're going to go with about a half teaspoon of turmeric, tiny bit of chili powder. That was quite a lot of chili powder, so it's going to be spicy. About a tablespoon of garlic and ginger paste, and a few chilies, why not? A few green chilies. And mix that all up. And it's starting to look like a nice masala sauce now, and it is smelling wonderful. Really good. Okay, so now I've got some boiled potatoes. Now I boiled these earlier today, and you want them so that you can actually break them up, and that's what I'm going to do. You don't want them mashable, you want them just so they can kind of crumble like that. And we're going to do that. We're going to add all these to the curry so that it's falling apart like that. That's one of the things that makes this one different. It's not something I've done before, learning it. And it just kind of, the texture of the potatoes is different. I mean, obviously you could chop these up with a knife. Now I'm going to add, go ahead and put some more in there. I'm going to add about tablespoon of basin flour, that's gram flour. And just a little bit of water, probably about 500 milliliters there. Stir that all up. This is quite a runny curry, so it's not like a Bombay potato type dish. It is runny, but it needs to be thick enough. That's why you put the basin flour in there. It needs to be thick enough that you can scoop it all up with a nice puri, which is how I'm going to be tasting this. I'm not going to try any yet, even though I sure could, because it looks so good. And look at the potatoes. See, some of them are a little bit mashed up, but some of them are nice big chunks. I'm telling you, this is going to be out of this world. Okay, a little bit of salt there. We're just going to bring that to a simmer. And when it comes to a simmer, I'm going to take it off the heat. I'm going to make myself some puris. The puri recipe is going to be in a different video, but I'll make sure that I put it up there when it's available to you. But you can also have this with chapatis. You could have it with naans. You could have it with rice. I like to have it with puris the way I was taught it. So I have a little bit more potato there. I might as well put it all in. There we are. Look at this. This is really going to be good. Just soupy and nice. Let's take it off the heat now, and we'll come back after my puris are done, and we'll do a taste test. I'm looking so forward to this. Look at that. Flaky and nice. Gorgeous. Just going to dip it in there. Bring some out. So nice with puris. So, rather than sit here watching me eat, thank you very much for watching. I can promise you if you try this, you'll like it. Very good. And I'll see you next time. Please subscribe. Thank you.